Okay, a cistern has two pipes. When both are open, it is filled in 7.5 hours. And the first pipe can fill the tank or the cistern in 3 hours. How many hours does the second pipe take to fill it? Well, I'm going to draw a little picture over here. It appears where the story is. There's two pipes. There's this cistern. I'll just say it's a container. And, water's flowing out of this one and water's flowing out of this one over here. All right? So I know one pipe can fill it in one job every 3 hours. But the question is, how long does it take this guy to fill it? Well, it goes on to say if they work together. Well, if they work together, it's going to be, one of the pipes plus the other pipe. They're working together. And how many hours are they allowed to work? 7.5 hours. So I'll write this over here. And they say they fill the job. They do it. They fill the tank. They do one job. Well, I got to do this now. And I'll write this down. Again, this is where most thinking stops, at least for people doing algebra. They no longer think about reading the problem. They're solving an equation. That doesn't look too bad to solve, by the way. So you get 15 halves. That equals 1. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2/15. Well, that was easy. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3x. So you get 3 plus x. And I said 3x, right? So what's 3x going to give you? Well, that's going to be 2x over 5. 3 equals, well, let's see, it's going to be minus 3x over 5. And here you're going to get minus 5 is equal to x. All right? So, let's go back up here. And I know this now. What's going to be minus 1/5, because x turned out to be minus 5. Now, by the way, this really doesn't make sense. The reason for that is this pipe's not filling. This pipe is actually draining. And what's it draining at a rate of 1/5? It's draining it. So again, although I got an answer to the problem, it really doesn't make sense because they're implying that these pipes are filling the tank. No, one is filling, one is draining. So let me outline that for you. This pipe is not filling the cistern, it's draining it every 5 hours, right? So once again, the problem should be rewritten to reflect that. Thank you.